far the clutch has been playing ball. It hasn't just been gripping. They've been able to slip it a little bit, which I think is what is really helping tonight. Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. We're finally drag racing again. I've just gone over, shooting file and everything, just trying to get it so I can get the launches a bit better, see how we go. Yeah, we'll just have to see how everything goes. Anyway, I'm going to line up so we'll start filming once we start going and go from there. Got the laptop in the car, so I'm going to have that plugged in, data logging this time, so hopefully we have all the data.
Yes,
so you can see everything.
That's considered
yeah, we'll
and still safe.
crack on with it. So yeah. Alright, about to do first run of the night. Hopefully goes okay. Just have to see how we go really. I'm going to start with a first gear burnout, and then once I'm back in the swing of it, second time round I'll do a second gear burnout. Hopefully I might get rid of some of the axle tram. And hopefully I might spin two wheels. That's another thing I'm going to sort out today as well, see if it's still doing singles, because last time I was doing doubles I had a mate in the car, so maybe it was extra weight doing it, not too sure. But yeah, we'll see. If not, then I'm going to have to get myself a diff or try to find a full spool locally. A bit better that time, and it wouldn't go into fourth, and then it also spun as well. I don't know if I mentioned before, but I had my suspension on hard, so I might put it to soft now, and then we'll see how we go with that. I'm also curious to see what boost it made then. And also what my throttle was on the launch. Thanks, mate. .1253. 2060 foot. That was way better than usual. If only I didn't miss fourth, that would have been good. Yeah, we got. Right, here we go, guys. Run number 2. Suspension's full soft now. I'll try, hopefully get the same good launch, and hopefully can get it into gears. I'll just remember to reef harder on the shifter. bit off the line, but it's definitely down on power. It's just not making the boost, but not much you can do about that. Cruise control is at 100% still. It didn't feel like it was a PB, but we'll see. The 60 foot was definitely down. Right, run 3 of the night. See if we can make everything line up and get a bit better. So we spun off the line on that one. First time it's done that, so I'm going to call that an improvement. It will still be a terrible time, but now to see how piss poor that run was. Cheers, mate. Yeah, 12.7, 122. 2460 foot. Alright, hopefully we can get it to spin again just a little bit and then see if it hooks up. I might have to modulate the throttle a little bit more, but so far not exactly progress on the ET, but it's progress on the launchers, which is a good thing. It's the thing I need to get better the most at in the car. For some reason so far the clutch has been playing ball. It hasn't just been gripping. They've been able to slip it a little bit, which I think is what is really helping tonight. So maybe the clutch is starting to slip in general, I don't know. I don't really want to drop the box to measure the teeth to see if I need to add shims again, but I'll have to drive it on the street and see if it makes the correct amount of boost again. If it doesn't, then we know 100% the clutch is slipping because it doesn't have the load on it to make the boost. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how we go. Definitely wasn't a good one. You backed off the line. We'll have to see what it was doing for the timing. Map was jumping between timing cells.
chasm of celestial dark. Takes your living breath, shaky and uncertain. You saw the force contained only by their body. restrained. Blue set the world ablaze.